Radha Solar, one of the leading manufacturer of solar ginger dryer in India. Our organization also concerns with designing, manufacturing, and supplying solar ginger dryer. Solar ginger dryer removes unnecessary moisture from the product with retention of original color and taste, as well as keeps the product free from any environmental factor, dust, dirt, animal, or bird droppings. Working principle, Radha Solar uses best technology, combining principles of conduction, convection, and radiation to dehydrate material, thus giving one of the highest drying efficiency in the world, resulting in the highest productivity for the given solar collector area. Solar dryer technology. Solar drying is carried out mostly for drying purpose of products. Hence, solar drying works as a best moisture confiscating agent, which prevents the products from getting decomposed. Radha Solar is proud to present Solar Dryer SD1000, a noble and eco-friendly way to address the needs of small-scale food processing industries. For more details, call the number given on your screen.